Hi students, so welcome to the next session. Finished previous session up to 46 questions. We'll start next one, question number 47. Let data of x 2x x square x 6 x x 6 equal to a into x power 4 plus b into x cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. Then the value of 5a plus 4b plus 3c plus 2d plus e. This value we need to find out. For that we need to find all a, b, c, d values. Now for that directly expand this determinant. X into 6x minus 6x minus 2 into 6x square minus 6x plus x into x square into x cube minus x square equal to right side what is there? A into x power 4 plus b into x cube c into x square plus dx plus e. Now here 6x cancelled, it this totally becomes 0 only. Minus 2 multiply what will get? Minus 12, 0 minus 12 x square minus into minus plus 12x plus x power 4 minus x cube equal to ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. Now written order wise, first x power 4, next x cube term minus x cube, square terms what is there? Minus 12x square and next time is 12x. There is no constant in this, equal to ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. Now compare the coefficients, you will get correctly. X power 4 coefficient is symbol what here? A. That means a value 1. X cube coefficient is b. Now here what is their coefficient? Minus 1. C is x square coefficient, that is minus 12. D is 12x coefficient. E is not there, that is a 0 completely. They are asking which value? 5a plus 4b plus 3c plus 2d plus e. Substitute in this, 5 into 1 5, 4 into minus 1 minus 4, 3 into minus 12 minus 36, 2 into 12 plus 24 plus 0. Now here 5 minus 24, that is 29 minus how much? 40. 29 minus 40 how much? Clearly minus 11. So which option is correct? Option D is the correct one. Next, question number 48. Here question number 48, ABC are angles of triangle, then the value of determinant. Det of sin 2a, sin C, sin B. Here sin C, sin 2b, sin A, sin B, sin A, sin 2c. Clearly ABC are angles of a triangle means the condition what you will get? Sum of angles is equal to 180, that is pi radians. In this, if you want C angle means how you will write? C angle if you want means, for example, what you will write? Pi minus of A plus B. For this you apply sine, what will get? For example, sin C equal to sine of pi minus of A plus B. 180 minus which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant sine is positive and function not changes. Now sin C we can write sine of A plus B. Similarly you want sin B to convert means sin B I will write sine of C plus A. Same concept. Okay now. That's why we are converting all the angles which is a single angle exist. Sin 2a Sin C we can write sin of A plus B. Sin B we can write sin of C plus A. Next, sin C we can write how? Sin of A plus B. Sin 2B remains same. Sin A we can write sin of B plus C. A angle you can write pi minus of B plus C. Apply sin means you get sin of B plus C only. Again sin B we can write sin of C plus A. Sin A we can write sin of B plus C, and here sin 2C. If we expand this, sin 2A, 2 sin A cos A. Sin of A plus B, what will get? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Similarly, sin of C plus A means sin C cos A plus cos A sin C will get. So every term we will get like that only. This we can write into two parts, product of two determinants, that is sin A cos A 0, sin B cos B 0, sin C cos C 0 into another determinant cos A sin A 0, changing position, cos B sin B 0, cos C sin C 0. Now when you are expressing the determinant original value into product of two determinants, we need to check by multiplying again, we need to get the same value. Already I said how to multiply determinants, row with row only. Sin A cos A plus cos A sin A plus 0. Sin A cos A cos sin A, 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A, which formula? Sin 2A. We got first one. We will check one more. First row with second row. You will get the second element. We will check. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin of A plus B. Same first row with third column, check third row, not column. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin E. Clearly sin of C plus A. You check with row 2 with row 1, row 2 with row 2, row 2 with row 3 also. You will get the second row elements. Similarly for third row. That's why this product will give the original determinant value. Now in both the determinants, third column having all are 0. That's why what you will get here, 0 into 0, that is, what is the value of this? It is clearly 0. We can try in another method, but it is lengthy process. This is a simple method to solve this type of question. Upon sir. Next, question number 49. Det of XCR plus 1, XCR plus 2, YCR plus 1, YCR plus 2, ZCR plus 1, ZCR plus 2, minus the given another det value XCR, X plus 1 CR plus 1, X plus 2 CR plus 2, YCR, Y plus 1 CR plus 1, Y plus 2 CR plus 2, ZCR, Z plus 1 CR plus 1, Z plus 2 CR plus 2. Now we will simplify this first determinant. We will remain same with second determinant only, no changes. Now I will apply one operation here. We have a formula here, what? NCR plus NCR minus 1. We have a formula in combinations N plus 1 CR. You use this formula. Now this is like NCR. This is NCR plus 1 because one value reduced here, C1s. NCR plus NCR minus 1. This you can write N plus 1 CR you can write. That's why I'll change C3. C3 tends to C3 plus C2. Then I will change C2 also. C2 plus C1. Clear? C2 plus C1 also same concept. NCR minus 1. R plus 1 minus 1 becomes R only. For these two also it will be applicable. First column no changes. XCR, YCR, ZCR. Now first we are changing which one? Column 3. First column 3 change. Column 3 changing means what you will get? XCR, XCR plus 2 plus XCR plus 1. NCR, this is R. This is NCR minus 1 because 2 minus 1, 1 you will get. How will write this one? N plus 1 CR. N plus 1 C. What is R value? R plus 2. Here also what you will get? Y plus 1 CR plus 2. Z plus 1 CR plus 2. Now come to second column, C2 plus C1. Now XC, this is R now. This is R minus 1 like that because R plus 1 minus 1. It is 1 cancel, R only will get. Now for this what you will write here? X plus 1 CR plus 1. Next, X plus 1 CR plus 1. Sorry, not X, Y ma. Next, Z plus 1 CR plus 1. Same formula applying here also. Minus, this will be remain same. XCR, X plus 1 CR plus 1. X plus 2 CR plus 2. YCR, Y plus 1 CR plus 1. Y plus 2 CR plus 2. ZCR, Z plus 1 CR plus 1. Z plus 2 CR plus 2. Now one more time we'll add because for this second and third column again n value same, R value C once here, R plus 2 is there here, R plus 1 is there. Again we'll apply same formula, changing C3 plus C2. Here already first column, second column same in both. We need to change one more time with third column. Same formula applicable. Now n is the X plus 1 here. So X plus 1 will become, that's X plus 2 will get in the third column. XCR, YCR, ZCR, X plus 1 CR plus 1, Y plus 1 CR plus 1, Z plus 1 CR plus 1. Same formula NCR plus NCR minus 1 will becomes N plus 1. That means X plus 1 is X plus 2, R will be R plus 2 only. Next, Y plus 2 CR plus 2, Z plus 2 CR plus 2 minus second one as it is XCR, YCR, ZCR, X plus 1 CR plus 1, Y plus 1 CR plus 1, Z plus 1 CR plus 1. Next, X plus 2 CR plus 2, Y plus 2 CR plus 2, Z plus 2 CR plus 2. Now both are same only na. Now when both are same, this both will be cancelled, subtract is, that's why what is the value you will get finally? 0. Which option is correct? Option A is the correct one. For question number 49. Next, coming to question number 50. Question number 50, the value of determinant, det of BC minus A square, AC minus B square, AB minus C square, AC minus B square, AB minus C square, BC minus A square. Next, AB minus C square, BC minus A square, CA minus B square or AC minus B square. This value is always non-negative, always non-positive, always 0, can't say anything. This value is which one? Sign what you will get, we need to find out. This complete determinant is the cofactor of determinant or determinant formed by cofactor of the matrix determinant ABC, BCA, CAB. This determinant cofactors only, this is given, existed here. Check once, first cofactor, sign is a plus, by deleting row and column, BC minus A square we got. Second one element minus will get. Minus means what you will get value? Minus of, by deleting row and column, B square minus AC. Minus is there na? That's why AC minus B square. That's why this total given determinant is the determinant formed by the cofactor of this determinant totally. All of clear? That's why This is like a det A. Now, how to find cofactors of that? Det of cofactors of some A means det of cofactor, det of adjoint A both will be same. As for that concept, det of adjoint A and det of cofactor matrix both will be same. This concept I am using. Det of adjoint A, what is the formula is there? Det A whole power n minus 1. What is order of this? 3. That's why this both will get same. Cofactor of a matrix A, if I assume. This completely as a matrix A, matrix A determinant is existed. Now we will write this one, det A whole power n means 3. N value clearly 3. 3 minus 1, that is what you will get, det A whole square. Det A means what here clearly? Det of that value. What is that? ABC, BCA, CAB whole square. Whole square is a negative is possible? No. That's why first option C once all of you, always non-negative. Non-negative means it can be 0 or positive. It is always greater than or equal to 0. Which option is correct? Option A is the correct one. Next, question number 51. The value of determinant, det of x square y square ax plus by x plus y ax plus by a square plus b square a plus b. Third row given x plus y a plus b 2. Is depends on which one we need to find out. That means the given options, first option A depending on A value, depending on B, depending on X, and fourth option given none of these. So first this can be expressed into product of two determinants. I am writing like this, x y 0, next a b 0, 1 1 0, into again product into x y 0, a b 0, 1 1 0. Check once product. First row with first row only, x into x, x square, y into y, y square. We got first element. Next, first row with second row, x into a, ax plus by. First row with third row, x into 1x plus y into 1y, 0 into 1, 0, x plus y we got. That's why this is product will gives the original determinant value. That's why in these two determinants, now what is the exact notation we got here? So last one, if you take 0 also no use, no problem. Take 0 also no problem. Because this is not affecting on the value of original determinant. In both determinants, the product last columns are what here? 0. Any row or column, all elements are 0. Det value how much? 0. That's why what is the answer? 0. That means it is completely A, X, Y all are vanished. We got vanished means completely we got 0. That means it is not depending on A, it is not depending on B, it is not depending on X. That's why which option is correct? Option D is the correct one. Because it is a null, that's a 0 value. It is not depending on anything. Next models 52 onwards based on system of equations. Already we explained the matrix method and Cramer's rule also. Cramer's rule useful for competitive purpose. 52 question. If C is less than 1, the system of equations x plus y minus 1 equal to 0, 2x minus y minus c equal to 0, minus bx plus 3y, so 3by minus c equal to 0 is consistent. Then possible real value of p are. Possible real values we need to find out in this question. But this is not 3 variable equations, clearly 2 variable equations. But they given 3 equations. 2 equations given, we can consider that is 0 or not equal to 0 conditions wise. Now consistent system in 2 conditions. When unique solution consistent and only one solution will be that is not equal to 0. Infinitely many solutions also will take for consistent In that case also det A is 0. But here two variable equations, in this the three equations will become or concurrent. Concurrent lines, the det value is 0, have condition. Concurrent lines is like a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, a3x plus b3y plus c3 equal to 0. Here is not three variable equation, it is clearly two variable equation. How to consider this? What is the variables here? What is there? 1, 1, minus 1. Next 2 minus 1 minus c. Next minus b, 3b minus c is equal to 0. The lines, the given equations are clearly as a linear equations. These three lines will become concurrent. Reason this is a consistent system. Expand this 1 into minus 1 into minus c. C minus 3b into minus c is minus 3bc. Total becomes plus 3bc. Minus 1 into minus 2c minus bc will get. Minus 1 into 2 into 3b, 6b minus b into minus 1, b, right, as it is equal to 0. Next, c plus 3bc plus 2c plus bc, 6b minus b, clearly 5b, that is minus 5b equal to 0. Now 2c plus c, 3c, 3bc plus bc, 4bc minus 5b, take right side, equal to 5b. Because there is a condition is given, because b they are asking, but they given all are in terms of intervals, b belongs to. So take c common, 3 plus 4b equal to 5b. Now c equal to 5b by 3 plus 4b. Another condition wise, c is less than 1 is given already. C is less than 1, given that. C value what is there here? 5b by 3 plus 4b is less than 1. Now take this 1 left side, what will you get? 5b by 3 plus 4b minus 1 is less than 0. Now take LCM, minus 3 minus 4b by 3 plus 4b is less than 0 only. 5b minus 4b, that is b minus 3 by 3 plus 4b is less than 0. Now the condition wise, what you have to take here values, b minus 3 by, compulsory to get negative, b compulsory we need to take less than 3 only. Less than 3 taking only, negative will come here first of all. Understood? And one more thing, this is negative means, so b is less than 3 I taken, this compulsory will take positive. Understood? Because negative by positive will get negative. Both if you take negative will become greater than 0. That's why your first condition we are taking b minus 3 is which one? Less than 0. Then we need to take 3 plus 4b compulsory greater than 0. From this b is less than 3. Next, this we can write b is greater than minus 3 by 4. From this what you can write? The b is more than minus 3 by 4 and less than 3. This overall we can write b belongs to, the minimum value starting is minus 3 by 4 up to which one? 3. So which interval is correct? B belongs to open interval. Why open interval? It is only strictly less than, strictly greater than is there. So why? B belongs to open interval minus 3 by 4 comma 3. Which option is correct? Option C is the correct one. Next, question number 53. A comma B comma C are in GP. With the common ratio, what is given? R1. Common ratio given R1. From this ABC I will write, if you take A is the first term, A R1, we know second term, but in the place of R we will take R1. C is R1 square. Next, similarly they given next alpha, beta, gamma is also belongs to GP with common ratio R2 given. Here if we consider alpha is the first term, then alpha comma beta comma gamma. First term is like A only alpha. Beta will becomes alpha R2. Here alpha R2 square. This is the values. And the equations, what are the equations given? Ax plus alpha y plus z equal to 0. Bx plus beta y plus z equal to 0. Cx plus gamma y plus z equal to 0. These all are which equations? Homogeneous equations, and I have zero solution. Zero solution nothing but trivial solution. For trivial solution, delta is not equal to 0. For non-trivial, delta is 0 for homogeneous. That is my point, like that A only. What? A, coefficient alpha 1, B beta 1, C gamma 1. Sorry, not equal to 0 ma. For trivial solution, delta is not equal to 0. Now here ABC value substitute. What is ABC values? A R1, A R2, R1 square. Alpha is alpha R2, alpha R2 square. 1, 1, 1 is not equal to 0. Now what is the common in first column? A, second column alpha. If you take A and alpha common, what remaining? 1 R1 R1 square, 1 R2 R2 square. Here 1, 1, 1 is not equal to 0. Now A alpha, if you take right side, that is a 1 by A alpha, it becomes 0. Only what remaining? 1 R1 R1 square, 1 R2 R2 square, 1, 1, 1. Clearly for any value of R1 R2 conditions, delta we need to get not equal to 0 only. That's why you should not take R1 is 1. If you take 1, what will happen? 1, 1, 1. First column, third column becomes identical. Value becomes 0. But what is there? Not equal to 0. That's why R1 not equal to 1. Next to R2 also compulsory not equal to 1. If you take 1, second column, third column becomes identical. Should not take that 1. Next, if you take R1, R2 same means, that also should not take. Reason? If you take R1, R2 same means, first and second column becomes identical. That's why these three conditions you have to consider. But what they are asking? They are asking, then which of the following is not true? These all are true only to satisfy this determinant. That's why which option is correct? Option D. These are true, but they are asking not true. That's why option D is the correct one. Next, coming to question number 54. The value of k belongs to R, which the following system of equations admits of non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solution means delta is 0. For the given equations, what? X plus ky plus 3z equal to 0, kx plus 2y plus 2z equal to 0. Next, 2x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 0. Having which solutions here? Non-trivial. For non-trivial solution, what is the condition? Delta equal to 0. What are the coefficients take? 1, k, 3, k, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4 equal to 0. Expand and simplify, you will get the value of k. 1 into 8 minus 6 minus k into, by deleting row and column, k into 4, 4k minus 4. Next, plus 3 into 3k minus 4 equal to 0. Yes, 8 minus 6, 2, multiply with k minus 4k square plus 4k plus 9k minus 12 equal to 0. Now first, minus 4k square plus 13k, 2 minus 12, that is minus 10 equal to 0. If you take minus common, what you will get here? 4k square minus 13k plus 10 equal to 0. 4 tens are 40. For 40, what is the factors? But sum we need to get minus 13. If I take minus 8 and minus 5, product you will get plus 40, sum will get minus 13. That's why factors we are writing 4k square minus 8k minus 5k plus 10 equal to 0. In this I will take 4k is common. What will you get here? Only k minus 2. If you take minus 5 is common here, what will you get? K minus 2. Again k minus 2 take common, remaining 4k minus 5 equal to 0. From these, k value 2 or 5 by 4. Which option is correct? Option C is the correct one. Next, question number 55. 55 question, they given first equation. X equal to cy plus bz, y equal to az plus cx, next z equal to bx plus ay, where x, y, z are not all zeros. Zero solution is called a trivial solution, not all zero means is a non-trivial solution. Then they are asking value of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2abc. This is clearly homogeneous only. Take these two values left side, what will get? X minus cy minus bz equal to 0. Already x is there, now y take right side. Cx minus y plus az equal to 0. Z take right side. Bx plus ay minus z equal to 0. Homogeneous means right side value becomes 0. And 3 variable equation, one more thing in this. So here not all 0 means is which solution? Non-trivial solution only. So non-trivial solution means delta is 0. First 1 minus c minus b, c minus 1 a, b a minus 1 is equal to 0. Expand along R1 only, 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, 1 minus a square. Sign is minus, minus of minus plus c into, deleting column and row, c into minus 1 minus c minus, a into b is ab, plus into minus, minus b into ca, minus of minus plus b equal to 0. Now 1 minus a square minus c square minus abc minus b square equal to 0. So all values take right side, 1 equal to, order wise write down a square plus b square plus c square minus abc is minus 2abc. If you take right side it will becomes plus 2abc. There are this value, how much we got here? 1. So which option is correct? Option B is the correct one. Next, question number 56. They given det of b plus c, c plus a plus b, a plus b plus c, c plus a, c plus a plus b plus c equal to k into det of abc, bca, cab. Now we are splitting easy method I am doing here. Generally it is there already in PU. Splitting means I am writing a shortcut method. In each column, first elements writing first one determinant. BCA, here ABC, CAB plus second determinant. This method is not exact logic with, it is not using in PU also, only for competitive purpose, time reducing method. Second elements in second each column, CAB, BCA, ABC equal to the given sum k into det of ABC, BCA, CAB. Now exact you want ABC first, second one BCA, third one CAB. I will interchange first these two. Interchanging what you will get here? ABC here you will get, BCA here you will get, CAB remains same. Coming to here, CAB, BCA, ABC. Again if you interchange here what you will get? ABC, BCA, CAB. Now they given options 1, 2, 3, 4 is given. If you are doing in this method, BCA will change to first row. Now what they given right side? ABC, BCA, CAB. Now if in this method we are getting negative values, if we are splitting like this, negative value getting, but they given options only positive. By splitting like this, by interchanging rows and columns, we are not getting positive, we are getting only negative left side. That's why don't in this method, we will try in general method only. Now first, if you add all rows, what you will get here? 2B will get, 2A will get, 2C will get. That's why in left side, I'll add R1 plus R2 plus R3. It's applicable only for left side term. By adding all rows, each row, in first row, each element becomes 2 into A plus B plus C. Here also 2 into A plus B plus C. Here also 2 into A plus B plus C. Next here A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. C plus A plus B, B plus C. At last we'll compare this value. Now in this first row I will take only 2 is common. Don't take A plus B plus C common, because all we need to convert into single element, that's why. Only 2 only take common. A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. Here A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, C plus A plus B, B plus C. Now I will do operation with R2, I will change. R2 tends to R2 minus R1, because 3 will becomes here, 2 is there, 1 will, it will becomes 1. Next similarly R3 tends to R3 minus R1. 2 into det of first row, no changes. R2 minus R1 means A plus B minus A minus B minus C. AB cancel get minus C. Here BC cancel get minus A. CA cancel get minus B. Next R3 minus R1. CA means you will get remaining minus B, minus C, minus A. Now we add this minus R2 and R3 to R1 now, because minus C plus B minus B gets cancelled. Now I'll add now R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now sum of each element having 3 elements will become single element. 2 into. Now what will get value in this case? The condition wise, what the values will get here clearly? A will get, here what will get? B, here C, here minus C, minus A, minus B, minus B, minus C, minus A. I will take minus common from second row and third row. 2 times minus means minus 1 whole square. ABC, CAB, BCA. Now as for this, next condition wise what will get here? So plus only, but second row we need the given what in right side. Okay, one small correction here they given CAB only. CAB, question CAB, here BCA. No need to interchange anything. Right side I taken same order wise, but the given second row is CAB, third row is BCA. Okay. Now as it is, will get 2 into det of ABC, CAB, BCA. Now as for that you will get compare now. So K value clear, how much you will get? 2 will get. So which option is correct? Option B is the correct one. Right side not BCA, CAB then BCA. That's why option B is the correct one. Next question number 57. Delta is given like this: A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Delta dash given like this: delta dash equal to det of A1 plus P B1, B1 plus Q C1, C1 plus R A1. A2 plus P B2, B2 plus Q C2, C2 plus R A2. Next, A3 plus P B3, B3 plus Q C3, C3 plus R A3. But in options they given in terms of delta dash and delta. This relation equation is given. Now we'll use shortcut method, splitting in two determinants. First elements in each element, each term. A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Now second elements in each element. PB1, PB2, PB3, QC1, QC2, QC3, RA1, RA2, RA3. First one as it is there, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. This directly we can write here in this form to get relation. This is clearly delta. Plus, in first column what is the common P, second column Q, third column R. Total what will get? P into Q into R. B1, B2, B3, here C1, C2, C3, A1, A2, A3. But delta order you see once, A1, A2, A3 in first column, B1, B2, B3 in second column, C1, C2, C3 in third column. That's why first I will interchange C1 and C3. 1 minus will come. Now then what will get here? A1, A2, A3. Last column will become B1, B2, B3. But again these two we need to interchange. Next one more time we are interchanging C2 and C3. Now one more minus of minus will get plus. Now it will becomes like this. Delta plus PQR into first column becomes A1, A2, A3. Second column will get B1, B2, B3. Third column C1, C2, C3. Again this is which one? Delta. Finally we can consider here delta dash equal to delta plus PQR into delta. If we take delta is common, what will get? 1 plus PQR into delta. Which option is correct? Option D is the correct one. Next, question number 58. If the system of equations, what are the equations given? X plus 2y minus 3z equal to 1, p plus 2e into z equal to 3, 2p plus 1 into y plus z equal to 2 is inconsistent. Inconsistent, clearly they are asking in this word, finally the value of p they are asking. Inconsistent, clearly what here? Delta is clearly 0. Delta delta is 0. Same concept. Coefficients what? 1, 2, minus 3. Here x and y both are not there, means coefficients what? Clearly 0. And here what? P plus 2. Now y x is not there, that's why here remaining 2p plus 1 and 1 is equal to 0. And now I'll expand along clearly C1. Along C1 I'll expand. Deleting row and column, 0 minus 1 0 minus p plus 2 into 2p plus 1 is equal to 0. Remaining plus 0 minus 0 plus 0, no need to take. From this, which are the factors will get 1 into negative only? Now what are the factors? P plus 2 minus into 2p plus 1 equal to 0. From these, either p plus 2 0 or 2p plus 1 equal to 0. Either p value minus 2 or p value minus 1 by 2. But they given both options. P 2 given and p is minus 1 by 2 given. Don't mark both options. Here, as per Cramer's rule, system is inconsistent, delta 0 and any one is non-zero also. First condition is given, delta not equal to the system is consistent and have a unique solution. Second case number 2 is clearly delta is 0 and any one of delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 is non-zero, then system is inconsistent. and have no solution. They already mentioned inconsistent. As for delta is equal to 0, we got two values. But in this, which one we need to predict? Which one we need to consider? For that, I will check with delta 1 value. Now, I will take delta 1. Delta 1, how to find? In delta, first column replace with right side values. What is the right side values? Delta D1, D2, D3. So 1, 3, 2. Second and third remain same. 2, 0, 2p plus 1 minus 3, p plus 2, 1. What you will get? We need to check. If this one we got non-zero, clearly it is satisfied inconsistent. Exactly that p value we can consider. Okay, I will check with p is minus 2. If you consider p is minus 2, at this p minus 2 we need to get delta 1 is not equal to 0. Then system is inconsistent. Follow that points correctly, you can understand easily. 1, 2, minus 3, 3, 0. P minus 2 plus 2 is 0. 2 into minus 2, minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3 plus 1. Now expand this. I will expand along row 2 Row 2 means minus plus minus. Deleting row and column. 2 into 1, 2 minus. Minus 3 into minus 3, 9 only. Minus 3 into minus 7. Delta 1 is what? 21. Clearly it is not equal to 0. Delta is 0. If any one of delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 is non-zero, then system is inconsistent and has no solution. That's why at which value we got not equal to 0. You can check delta 2, delta 3 also, you will get same condition. That's why P we need to consider minus 2 only. If you check at minus 1 by 2, value becomes 0. That's why which option is correct? Option A is the correct one. P value we need to consider option A. Question number 59. Let lambda and alpha be real. S denote the set of values of lambda. And the given system of equations like this: lambda x plus sin alpha into y plus cos alpha into z equal to 0. X cos alpha into y plus sin alpha z equal to 0. Minus x sin alpha into y minus cos alpha into z equal to 0 has a non-trivial solution, then S denote the contain. S does not contain. In which interval S is not exist. S means what here? Set of values of lambda. Okay. It's a non-trivial solution. This again is a homogeneous equation. For non-trivial solution, delta value what here? Clearly 0. Set of lambda sin alpha cos alpha 1 cos alpha sin alpha minus 1 sin alpha minus cos alpha is equal to 0. Now I will expand along column 1 or along row 1 also, no problem. Lambda into, by deleting row and column, cos into minus cos square alpha minus sin into sin square alpha. Next, minus sin alpha into, by deleting row and column, 1 into minus cos alpha minus 1 into sin alpha minus of minus plus sin alpha. Sin is a plus, cos alpha into, deleting row and column, 1 into sin alpha minus 1 into cos alpha is minus cos alpha minus of minus plus cos alpha equal to 0. If you take minus common from this, what will becomes cos square alpha plus sin square alpha? It is clearly 1. Minus into minus plus sin alpha cos alpha minus sin square alpha plus cos alpha sin alpha plus cos square alpha equal to 0. Now minus lambda. This was same only na. What will get here? 2 sin alpha cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. It's the formula of which one? Cos 2 alpha equal to 0. Now next, minus lambda 2 sin alpha cos alpha is clearly sin 2 alpha plus cos 2 alpha equal to 0. Now I'll take lambda that side. Sin 2 alpha plus cos 2 alpha equal to lambda. To check the interval, we don't know, this combination of both means we can't find the interval. Try to convert into one function. To convert this sin x plus cos x form is there. Multiply and divide with root 2. Sin 2 alpha into 1 by root 2 plus cos 2 alpha into 1 by root 2 is equal to lambda. Now root 2 into this we are trying converting into sin of a plus b. Sin a, this one into cos b, it means cos pi by 4 plus cos a into sin pi by 4 is equal to lambda. Now this is root 2 into this, we can write sin of 2 alpha plus pi by 4 is equal to lambda. Now we know sine range. What is the sine range? Sine of any angle, whatever angle is there, that sine range is from -1 to +1. So we know that this sine lies between -1 to +1. But we need lambda values. To get lambda is what here? Root 2 into this. So multiply with root 2. What will get? Minus root 2 less than or equal to root 2 sin of 2 alpha plus pi by 4 less than or equal to root 2. Now this complete value is what? Lambda. So minus root 2 less than or equal to lambda less than or equal to root 2. This we can write into interval. Lambda belongs to closed interval minus root 2 comma root 2. That means minus root 2 plus root 2 also include. You are asking what? S does not contain -1 to +1. It is lying in this only. Minus closed interval minus root 2 to -1. That also part of this only. Next, 1 comma root 2 also. Closed interval 1 comma root 2 also. You will get in between only. But see in fourth option, open interval is given. Minus root 2 comma root 2. Minus root 2 plus root 2 here include. S is what? Set of values of lambda only. Clear? That's why which option is not contain S? That is option D. Option D is S does not contain, means S not belongs to open interval minus root 2 comma root 2. In between is there, but we need including minus root 1 plus root also. That's why option D is the correct one for this given question. So next, question number 60. Sum of values of P for which equations x plus y plus z equal to 1, x plus 2y plus 4z equal to P, x plus 4y plus 10z equal to P square have a solution. Have a solution means what? It is not exactly one. Have a solution means any number of more than one solutions also. That means infinitely so many solutions. Infinitely many solutions means as per Cramer's rule. I am telling Cramer's rule useful for competitive. Delta, if you find out delta, clearly you will get 0. First condition, delta not equal to 0, consistent having exactly one solution. Second condition, delta 0, any one of delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 is non-zero, is inconsistent. Third condition, delta 0, all remaining 3 also 0, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 also 0, then system is consistent and has infinitely many solutions. Have a solution means it can be any number of solutions, not counted, it's not fixed one. That's why delta you will get 0, delta 1 also will get 0. Why I am not using delta equal to 0, you will get if you use 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 4, 1, 4, 10. But we need P values, sum of the values of P. P contains in right side only D1, D2, D3. I am using that's why delta 1. Delta 1 means in the first column replace with these values. 1 p square. Second column is remain same, y values only. 1, 2, 4. Here 1, 4, 10 is equal to 0. When all are 0, delta 2 0, delta 3 also 0. But I am using one value, enough. Expand along R1 only. 1 into 20 minus 16 minus 1 into 10p minus 4p square, deleting column and row. 1 into 4p minus 2p square is equal to 0. 20 minus 16 is 4 minus 10p plus 4p square plus 4p minus 2p square equal to 0. 4p square minus 2p square, it's clearly 2p square, minus 10p plus 4p is minus 6p plus 4 equal to 0. If 2 take common and cancel out, what you will get? P square, if taking right side, minus 3p plus 2 equal to 0. This I can write p minus 1 into p minus 2. Directly I am writing, multiply will get same again. 1 and 2 are the factors. Now p values is what? Either 1 or 2. They are asking sum of values of p. Sum of values of p means add these values. Sum of values means sum of values of p. Add 1 plus 2, how much you will get? 3. So which option is correct? Option C is the correct one. Next, question number 61. The system of equations has at least one solution. Again same concept, 61 same model, x minus 2y plus z equal to a, 2x plus y minus 2z equal to b, x plus 3y minus 3z equal to c has at least one solution. At least one means what? Greater than or equal to 1. Minimum or maximum up to where? Up to infinity. Here also infinite solutions only. Infinitely many solutions. But options given in terms of ABC. But all ABC are there in right side. For infinitely many solutions, what condition? Delta 0, delta 1 0, delta 2 0, delta 3 0. All are 0. And system is consistent only. I'll use again same concept. Delta 1 is 0. Delta 1 means right side values you take in first column. A, B, C. Second values are like y coefficients. Last column is z coefficients. Minus 2, 1, 3. 1, minus 2, minus 3. Check madam. Minus 2, here 1, here 3. 1, minus 2, minus 3 is equal to what? 0. If we take delta 2 0, delta 3 0, delta I am not taking, reason we need the condition, delta 0, 0 only will come. Okay, expand this, a into minus 3 plus 6, assign minus, minus of minus plus 2, minus 3b plus 2c will get, plus 1 into 3b minus c equal to 0. If you do delta 2 0, delta 3 0 also you will get same condition. Minus 3 plus 6 is 3a minus 6b plus 4c plus 3b minus c equal to 0. Now 3a minus 6b plus 3b minus 3b 4c minus c, that is 3c equal to 0. Now 3 take common and take right side till 0 by 3 0 only. What condition you will get? A minus b plus c equal to 0. This is common for all remaining 2 also, delta 2 0, delta 3 0 also. So this is a condition for given at least one solution. That's why option B is the correct one.